Hi, this is Amy with Sassy Seedlings, and welcome to this video. If you're new here, thanks for taking the time to watch this. If you've been around for a while, thanks for returning. So what we're going to do here is an experiment. This is a cayenne pepper, one of my favorite peppers. It is dehydrated. So this was picked, it's the perfect length, and it's a full, ripe, deep red color. And I went ahead and dehydrated it. I make a lot of hot pepper flakes, which I do have a video on that, but this was in a batch that hasn't yet been ground up for making more hot pepper flakes. So I decided to see if these seeds from this dehydrated pepper will actually grow. So I'm gonna see if you can hear it. If I shake it near the mic here, you can usually hear the seeds rattling around. It might not be picking it up, but what we're gonna do is I have just some regular potting soil I have in this container, which does have drainage holes in the bottom, and I'm using this container just to set it into bottom water and what have you. I've already pre-moistened the soil, so let's do this. We're gonna cut this open and see how many pepper seeds we get. Sorry for the shadows. I have to record inside right now. It is a dismal rainy day, so I hope I didn't cut any of the seeds, but as you can see, there are, you can hear that crunching. I'm just gonna sort of do this, and this pepper obviously has a lot of seeds. A lot. Might as well just keep going. I'm interested to see how many we get out of here total, even if I don't plant them all. This will go in, and the skin and whatnot will still be ground, although the seeds contain a lot of the heat. These are potential new plants, so I'm just going to sit the rest of that pepper aside. And as you can see, there are quite a few peppers. And what we're going to do is I'm probably going to plant, I would say at least 10 just to see. Sorry, I'm trying to figure things out recording inside. We're going to see how many we can get in here. So basically, let's take 10 good ones here. And it doesn't matter that I'm planting these close together. The first thing we want to see is, are they going to germinate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, maybe 11. Let's do 12. And once we get them germinated, we will go from there. The rest of the seeds can go into the ground hot pepper mix. I'm just going to lightly touch them down to the soil. That's what I generally do. These do not need a ton of soil on top. They're small seeds, so let's see if I can show you there with the shadow how many that we actually got planted. And I'm going to go ahead and grab some soil to put across the top. It's just going to be a fine layer. I find that these do not need a ton of soil. Go ahead and get my sprayer here, but I'm just going to lightly firm that soil down on these seeds. Make sure they're all covered up, and I'm going to use my sprayer and just give them a good spray in, because the bottom, the rest of the soil is very well moistened. So I went ahead and I marked the outside of this clear cup, and I put dehydrated cayenne seeds planted 3/1/24. So what I'm going to do is do updates on this. So every day I'll keep a check on these, and I'll come back and add to this video with the dates so we know what sprouts, how many, and so on. And we'll call this our dehydrated cayenne seed experiment video, but this is just the first phase of planting. So we want to record everything that we're doing so that you can see if you can take dehydrated pepper seeds and if they'll sprout for you. You may or may not know the answer, but it's fun to show everybody what comes of this, and that's potentially 12 plants that I put in there to grow. And if they all germinate, I love my cayenne. I will probably try to grow most of them on in the garden and give some to my neighbor, but stay tuned and we will come back whenever we have some action. Hopefully we have some action of growth in this experiment. Thanks and have a great day.